What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Today we're doing something extra special. In my last video, you guys saw that unfortunately my Civic had bad compression on the H22. So in the meantime, I'm trying to set up a deal for a motor. There's a guy locally who has one that I may be able to go pick up, but unfortunately there are some things that I need to do in the meantime, and one of those things is wrapping the car. The color I'm doing is Nardo gray. If you're familiar with Audi, it's a really nice gray color, or the is it the Challenger Destroyer gray, Battleship gray, something like that. I got it from Cheetah Wrap. Great company, great products. I have my friend Tyler. Tint by Tyler is his business name. He does tint, wrap. He'll soon be doing PPF. He has tinted every car I have owned in like the last 5 years. Super professional, super great guy. I'll have all of his business stuff listed in the description below. So if you guys are local here to Lakeland and you guys want to get wrapped, tinted, or PPF, anything like that, make sure to hit him up. Great guy. But right now, we're wrapping some of the small parts. You know, I'm trying to help. He's really good at this, so I'm just a helping hand. And we're clay barring the hood so it is nice and prepped. It's a nice clean prep surface, and we're just getting moving forward. So once I get unbacklit, I'll show you guys what's going on. So what's going on here is we're just clay barring the surface, getting this set up to where we can lay the vinyl on top of it. If you guys haven't seen the car recently, it is absolutely stripped. Once I found out that I had bad compression, it was just like, all right, we're gonna send it, we're gonna do everything. We're just gonna go ahead and fix everything that was wrong. So it's under construction. I'm hoping to have it done by FL2K, which is October 7th through the 10th. And I'm hoping to have it there. If this deal with this motor goes through, I'm supposed to go test drive it tomorrow. So in the meantime, let's get to wrapping. Okay guys, so we have the hood pretty well prepped. It is cleaned down extraordinarily well. We're killing all the fans so we're not blowing dust around, anything like that, and we're getting ready to lay down the hood.
I'm just putting down some extra tape because we couldn't wheel it outside to like pressure wash it off, so this will help eliminate stuff from just like where the windshield is from pulling into it. Yep.
All right, what he just pulled off is this layer called the cap. It's like a clear plastic layer that goes over top the pretty side of the vinyl, the non-adhesive side. And that is to protect the vinyl from scratches or marring or anything like that in transportation or on the roll or during installation. Okay guys, we're still here making some headway. We now have the whole front of the car wrapped. Tyler is moving to the back of the car currently. I'm gonna let you guys see just a little sneak peek of what the front's gonna look like, because oh look, there's no headlights in it, there's none of the hood pins, there's none of that in it right now, but she looks so freaking good. So good. I still have to align the front so the body lines aren't perfect, but god dang boy, she looks good. I'll tell you right now, Nardo gray was the color. That was the perfect color choice. Getting ready to do the back here. He just wiped down and clay barred the whole surface, and getting ready to lay the vinyl back here. We're gonna knock this out, maybe the trunk, whatever, or we're gonna knock out the trunk, maybe the roof, whatever. We're just gonna keep on keeping on. Take number 2. It is now 1:12 a.m. We have the roof done, we have the fenders done, we have the rear deck lid, the trunk done, and the hood, fenders, roof, deck lid. All we have left to do is the fenders, Jesus, I'm tired. All we have left to do is the doors, the pillars, and the rear quarter panels. It looks so freaking good, guys. Also, I want to let you know that this would not be possible without my good friend Tyler Gilliard. He owns a business called Tint by Tyler. If you are in the local area to Lakeland, Orlando, Tampa, whatever, if you're willing to travel, he is the man. He tints, He does all kinds of wraps. That's the man to talk to. I would not be able to do this without him. So drop down to the description. I'm gonna have his Facebook and business information located down there. So if you guys wanna contact him to get the hookup, make sure to tell him that your boy Hudson B sent you. He'll make sure to take very good care of you guys. He takes very good care of me, and the least I can do is have you guys, my family, reach out to him and make sure he's taken care of. So let me show you what this car looks like. I'm so freaking excited to finish this thing. So far it's already transformed so freaking much. I am so excited. Let's get into it. Let me show you what this thing looks like. It's freaking sick. Boys and girls, look at this. We have fenders, we have bumper, we have hood pins in, exhaust will go there. We will put a big aluminum plate around this to clean that hole up. It'll look super proper around the exhaust there. Like I said, all we have is the pillars that run up. This is all one piece here to here. So we have to do that in one big run, and we'll go ahead and knock out the door with it and make sure just to cut that all out at once. The roof, incredible. Granted, this is dirty and smudged because handprints, you can see them like smudging on here, you know, oily hands. This, we wrapped all the way inside, so even when the freaking sunroof is open, you can't tell that it's a wrap. It looks like OEM paint. It looks like freaking OEM paint. This man hooked it up. Look, oh my God, once we get that. I'm gonna have to mock up the headlights in the front end and show you guys what it looks like here soon. But honestly, this is incredible. It looks so good. The deck lid, like I said, it's all smeared up and dirty, but it is smooth, no flaws whatsoever. This Nardo gray was such a good color choice. The color scheme for the car is going to be Nardo gray and Daytona yellow and like a gloss black. So we're going to gloss black trims, gloss black mirrors, gloss black wheels. We're going to have Daytona yellow calipers. I am so excited. It's coming together. Tomorrow morning, I've got to get up. I've got to drive an hour and a half to go check out a possible donor motor to go in this thing. More details to come on that in a later video. So guys, we're going to cut to the next day that Tyler and I get together, and I will see you guys bright and early sometime in the future. This is past Hudson talking to future Hudson. You got this. Let's go. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Oh, welcome back to the same video on the same channel that I filmed just the other day. So, as you guys know, we started wrapping the car. We got almost done with it. We got the trunk, the roof, and the hood, and the fenders done. Today we're coming back and we're gonna go ahead and knock out the quarter panels and the doors and finish the wrap all together. I got Tyler over there in the background. Say hey, buddy. Yep, he's getting all his little, tools and stuff like that situated to where we can get rolling on this. And we're gonna try to knock this thing out tonight. Apparently there's a fight going on, and I wanna get over to Brandon's house to watch that tonight. So we're gonna try to get this thing rolling, getting going. And there should be a nice cinematic portion coming up here soon because Caleb is here to film today, which means he gets to film some cinematics because he is so much better at that than I am. So without further ado, let's get right back into it. All right guys, we are back again. We are wrapping the car, well, finishing, continuing, wrapping the car. We got Tyler right over here getting this door sill done. We got Caleb right over here. We got Lauren hanging out in the hammock, just having a good old time. We are going to get this thing absolutely finished up tonight and knocked out. So let's just get this thing done. I'm ready to see. I already have like one piece of the trim in on one fender, and I have one taillight in on the finished side, and oh my God, it looks so good. Super excited for you guys to see the finished product. Once I get this thing on wheels and suspension and running and driving, it is going to be a complete 180 from what you guys saw before. So let's just get into it today. All right guys, if you can see behind me, we are on the last piece of vinyl to go on this car. We are doing the passenger side door, and then it is finished. I'm super stoked the way it's coming out. Tyler's doing an incredible job, and I know I already plugged him once before, but if you guys are in the Lakeland, Tampa area and you want to get your car wrapped, Tyler's the man. He's the man with the plan. I'll have all of his information in the description down below. Make sure to go check him out if you need absolutely anything.